Today I'm going to be making these assorted fruit cream cheese danishes. You guys are not going to believe how simple these are. I'm starting off by making my filling, which is a block of room temperature cream cheese, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, some vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. I'm going to give that a nice mix until everything is nice and fluffy. Then I just added my Ziploc bag to a cup and I'm adding the filling in since I didn't have a traditional piping bag. Here I am just cutting up my puff pastry into 9 squares. I'm using store-bought puff pastry, but you could use a homemade one if you like, but nothing wrong with using a store-bought puff pastry. Here I am just going to lightly score a little rectangle within the puff pastry just so it can make a nice little divot for my cream cheese filling, and then I'm going to pipe that filling in. Here I'm just taking the back of a wet spoon and creating a little pocket for my jams. Today I'm going to be using Old World Quality Foods Premium European Food Jams. These jams are made with real fruits and no artificial sweeteners or ingredients. They were so delicious. Here I am just brushing my egg wash onto my puff pastry and baking these at 375 for 25 minutes. Here they are when they come out, just beautiful. And they were divine, obviously. I hope you guys give this a try.